Welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you how to create a new Snapchat account. Now, if you want to grow and succeed on Snapchat and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to create a new Snapchat account. And the first thing is to log out of your existing account. And if you are new on Snapchat and you want to create your first account, you need first to download and install the Snapchat app on your phone. Now, after opening your app or logging out of your existing account, you will have this screen where you need to come below here and click this sign up button. And on this next screen, you need to allow Snapchat to access things like your contacts and phone calls, then go on to enter your name. And after that, you need to enter your date of birth and confirm or change your username, then create a password. And on this next screen, you can sign up with your email or phone number. And if you are creating another account, you need to use an email or phone number that is different from the one in your existing account. And on this other screen, you can sync your phone contacts to find your friends on Snapchat and add them. And after that, you need to allow Snapchat to access your camera and local storage to set up your account and start creating snaps, stories, and other content. And on this top right corner, you can find more friends by searching and also sharing your snap code. And on this other corner, you can click this profile picture icon to access your profile, where you can first verify your phone number. And on this same screen, you can add things like stories, spotlight and snap map, friends, tokens and cameos. And above here, you can create your avatar, and you can also use all these features to build the best avatar. You can also create a cover avatar using the outfit feature, and also add a background to your cover avatar. And still above here, you can share your profile to other social media platforms to connect with more friends. And if you click this gear icon, you can go to settings and edit your account details and verify your email address. You can also perform the two-factor authentication to improve security for your account. In addition, you can make settings on other sections like OCN, privacy, and account actions. And to delete your Snapchat account, you need to come to this support section and click this option, I need help. Then select my account and security and go on to delete your account from there. You can also check out this video link on how to delete your Snapchat account, and the video is also available in the description below. Now, this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.